The average kitchen knife explodes with the force of a billion nuclear bombs every time you use it. But it's not a nuclear explosion. This may sound like a dramatic exaggeration, but it's not. The explosive force is due to the immense pressure built up inside the knife as you cut through food. Imagine a tiny, microscopic volcano erupting with every chop and slice. But that's not the strangest part. The knife is also a tiny heat engine. As you cut through food, the friction generates heat, which is then dissipated through the handle. However, this process is not as straightforward as it sounds. The heat generated is not just a simple byproduct of friction, it's a complex interaction of thermodynamics and materials science. For centuries, knife makers have been using various materials to optimize heat dissipation and improve the cutting experience. From high-carbon steel to titanium, the choice of material affects not just the knife's performance, but also its safety.
But what happens when you combine these materials in unexpected ways?
Scientists discovered that suron repair minor damage to the edge.
This means that the knife can repair minor damage to the edge, extending its lifespan and improving its performance.
The self-healing effect is achieved through a process called diffusion bonding. Diffusion bonding is a type of welding that uses high pressure and temperature to fuse two materials together. But how does this relate to your average kitchen knife? As it turns out, the same principles that apply to diffusion bonding can be applied to knife making. By creating a knife with a unique combination of materials, you can achieve a self-healing effect that improves the cutting experience. This is not just a theoretical concept, it's a reality that's being explored by researchers and manufacturers alike. The potential applications of self-healing knives go beyond just food preparation. Imagine a world where knives can repair themselves after every use, reducing waste and improving safety. This is not a far-fetched idea, it's a reality that's within our grasp. But that's not all. The study of knife making has also led to a greater understanding of materials science. Researchers have discovered new ways to create strong, lightweight materials that can be used in a variety of applications. From aerospace to medicine, the impact of this research is far-reaching and profound. As we continue to explore the world of knife making, we may uncover even more surprising secrets. The science behind the knife is a fascinating topic that deserves further exploration. So, the next time you pick up a knife, remember the incredible science that goes into its creation. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll have knives that can heal themselves and make cooking even easier. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of discovery. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.